Hey guys, Mike Chamberlain here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special event. As you heard, JF1000 is officially sold, so that will be the last time we can call this truck JF1000. Now it is TMK's 1000, and so forever, JF1000 3.0 is now called TMK's 1000. So we're going to introduce you to the new owner, and Chester's going to hand over the keys, and it's kind of like passing of the torch, because you know the 1000 trucks are special, and everybody says, you know, everybody wants to know what it sold for, and you know what, that's not for me to say, and you know, really I don't totally know, but that's for the new owner to decide, and Jed to decide if they want to share it. And you know, all I can say is if you buy a Peterbilt, it's a good investment, because cool trucks, you know what, everybody likes cool trucks. You saw the video with the chicks, and then I mean, they climb on the hood and get all covered in soap. And if you haven't checked out Ameera's Instagram, you got to check it out. I'll have a link in the description below, because Chester hit her with a foam cannon, and I know what you're thinking, but it was a real foam cannon. Only a foam cannon? I think it was a foam cannon. Not a phone cannon, but a foam cannon. Oh, dang it. There we go. Anyways, let's meet Shawn. This is Shawn, and this is Chester. Shawn, congratulations on the purchase of JF1000.
Thanks, Mike.
I want to shake your hand.
Absolutely.
And Chester, good job on doing another wicked truck.
Not bad. Yeah, so here you go, Shawn.
Yeah.
Oh, well, good.
Thanks, bud.
You bet.
There you go.
Pretty excited.
Yeah.
Beautiful truck.
Yeah.
So what was the big draw for 1000? What made you want to be a part of it?
The first picture I ever saw, I was kind of hooked then. One day I will own that truck.
Yeah. Right
Today's
on.
the day. Yeah.
Well, I can honestly say Shawn is getting an absolute perfect truck. You know, if anybody that knows Chester, and I mean everybody in Prince George does, you'll never find a more genuine, down-to-earth guy and a great driver. Not the fastest driver, because I don't know, if you saw my video in Texas where we were driving NASCAR, I can point out Chester's car, and let's just say he was taking her low and slow. So, you know, I was behind Jed, and you know, I'm gonna say Chester's a little more laid back than Jed. So, but anyways, you know what? Any truck that Chester had is an absolute great buy. And Shawn, you're getting an excellent truck. Congratulations. It is absolutely beautiful.
I'm excited.
TMKS 1000. I'm hoping that we'll get to see it more on Instagram, and you know, Shawn has more Peterbilts too, you know, so
Yeah, I do.
just saying, maybe there can be a TMK's 2000. Yeah, well, just saying. Could be a
Absolutely.
new 389 with the digital dash.
That's right.
Yeah. But yeah, because at the end of the day, you can't beat it, guys. Peterbilt's a great investment. It's not just a truck, it's all about a lifestyle as well. So, you know, there's a lot of trucks that do the job, but there is only one king, and that is a Peterbilt. So in honor of Shawn taking over 1000, it'll be his first TMK's 1000. We're gonna do a giveaway. So if you share this video and you share it on, well, I don't know, share it everywhere. You know, first you gotta subscribe to my channel, and then share the video, and leave a comment in the descriptions below, and we're gonna do a draw, and you can win a JF1000 hoodie. Maybe a TMKS 1000 hoodie, but I know I can get a JF1000 hoodie, so you're gonna win a hoodie. And I don't know how long. Should we do it a week? 2 weeks? We'll see how it goes. Maybe this will go viral, and there'll be like 1 million subscribers, and then I'll have to like give away a whole bunch of hoodies, so we'll see what happens. But anyways, leave a comment below if you wanna win a hoodie, if you wanna see more TMKS 1000. Keep your eyes open on Instagram. Follow Chester on Instagram, JFL1000, and AKA Nacho. And he'll, I'm sure, give a link to the truck. And congratulations again, Shawn. It's an absolutely beautiful truck. I'm super proud that it's staying in Canada.
Yes.
You know, not that there would be anything going, you know, wrong with it going to the US. That would actually be pretty epic. But at the end of the day, that's a long ways to drive. So at least this way, it's going to be like 6 hours away. I could go visit it, and
That's right.
you know, Chester, we'll go have some beers with.
Yeah. The runner-up was Texas.
That's right.
Oh, really? Runner-up was Texas.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You gotta love Texas. So,
Yeah.
you know what they say? Everything's bigger in Texas, unless you're in Alberta,
Yeah, that's right.
and then it's just a little bit bigger. No, just kidding. But you know what? Thanks again, Shawn.
Yes, absolutely. Thank
It's
you,
great.
guys.
Gotta shake your hand.
Yes.
It's a great truck. Thanks, Chester, for
bet.
including Mike, Peterbilt Mike, you know, the #1 Peterbilt ambassador on all of the internet. So tell your friends. And yeah, this is JF1000. Or I should correct myself. This is the former JF1000. Now it's TMK's 1000. That's right. TMK's 1000, new 389, long hood, one of a kind. There is no truck in the world like this truck. We've talked about it before, the fender treatment, the bumper, how tall it is, how big it is. We're gonna have to change the emblem. It's no longer Nacho's truck. It's Nacho truck anymore, Nacho. But check this out. You know what? When JF sells something, nothing but class. Custom number plate for TMK's 1000. They're gonna keep the 1000, keep the Peterbilt logo on the door. They got the customer's name on the door. Ameera is Shawn's wife. And you know what? I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. The wife is hands down the most important person in any one of these deals. You know, a person's partner, and I mean, I know there's, you know, whatever your sexual orientation is, but you know, a person's partner, the wife, it's a partnership, and most family-run business, you know, it's husband and wife, and they're more important, as important as ourselves. We've got Shawn's name on the door already. You know what? Chester spent more time polishing this truck even after we did our last photo shoot. Sadly, our last photo shoot, we were a little bit rushed, so you might have noticed a few water spots. But look at this. You know, the tanks are polished. Look at the black. There are no water spots. This is just beautiful. And look at the fenders. I mean, there's virtually no rock chips. There are a couple, but this is all rock guarded. You've got the LED headlights, the extra grill bars, the Frenched-in driving lights. Gosh, just looks amazing. You know, and I never pointed out before the black mirror arms, you know, and it's all painted to match. So this is all metallic. And if you're wondering what color this is black diamond. I love black diamond because in the sun, it still looks black. There's blacks out there with a high metallic content that when the sun hits it, it actually looks gray or like a charcoal, which is fine if you like gray or charcoal. But if I do a black truck, I love it to look just a nice deep black. But the black diamond has a nice metallic to it to where, you know, you can see it. You can see it in the reflection there. And now here's another thing that Jed and Chester did. And you know, when someone sells a truck, and I mean, I take trucks on trade all the time, and usually when you get a truck in on trade, it's like, you know, they're like, oh, we're not gonna fix this, we're not gonna do that because we're just trading it in. Well, you know what? People always say, oh, how could someone pay that for, you know, one of Jed's trucks? Or, you know, why is it worth so much money? And, you know, why would you do an auction? Well, I don't know of anybody, except for maybe myself, that would prepare a truck like this for a used truck. I mean, it's basically new, but the exhaust, now if you follow, I'm getting ahead of myself there. If you follow Nacho on Instagram, you'll know that the exhaust brackets had broke a couple times. So the way it was before, it had the factory bushings at the top, and then it had a clamp down below to hold it. Well, with these big 8-inch pipes, that's a lot of weight. And like I said before, this is a working show truck. You know what? So when you're on a washboardy road with lots of big potholes in that, it's gonna be hauling every trip through that. So one of the things that Chester found is the brackets on the bottom, because all the weight of the stack was hanging on that one clamp. It was breaking clamps. So they bought an updated system so that now the exhaust bolts to the cab, and they put it all on for Shawn so that Shawn won't have any issues with his exhaust. And look at that. So it's bolted to the cab up there, bolted down here, which is really nice, and no low-hanging fruit. So Chester was working like literally right up until 15 minutes ago polishing. So but look, I can't get over how beautiful these wheels look. Like, just, oh, you know, I would have to say that it actually almost looks, well, I would say it actually does look better than new. So anyone that's had a new Peterbilt in the last while, well, maybe not the last while, knows that sometimes the polished option isn't always up to our standards. So we usually hit them with a little more polish. I actually had it once where the polish, because it's on a machine, leaves lines, and it looked like those old beer cans. I don't know if you remember them, I forget what they're called, but they had the beer can with the flat sides on it. Anyways, it just brought me back to my youth, you know. Not that I don't drink beer anymore, but I don't drink beer out of those cans anymore. Anyways, check out the interior. This is how to present a truck. Just absolutely amazing. We've got the wood floor. We've got our Sears seats. Look at all the chrome. Now, you know, you got carpet on the floor, which I'm going to take my shoes off because that is nothing but respect for these gentlemen. You know what? Shawn's other trucks are all custom trucks as well, so it's not like it's his first rodeo. You know, he knows a good deal when he sees it. He knows he knows a great truck. He's talked to previous owners of guys that bought former JF1000 Peterbilts. He knows what he's getting. So yeah, he's happier than heck. We're really happy for him. I'm really happy for you know, to be included in this with Chester and Jed and the JF crew. So, but check it out. Like, just, I know I've shown you before, but it looks so good. Look at all that chrome. And it's only got like 230,000 clicks. Oh, and I love this chrome shifter cover. And you know what? The paint isn't even worn off. And you know what? That, I gotta say, Chester is hands down one of the most conscientious guys I know. You know, some custom color. We've got the lights, and you know how much I love my lights, especially red ones. Oh yeah. Break out in the red room. I don't know if many guys remember that song, but now I'm really dating myself. So what do we got in the back here? Oh, Chester's got the heat shield. Because you know what? Found out the DOT doesn't like when you don't have heat shields on, but you know what the DOT doesn't understand? They don't look cool. So, Mr. DOT guy, if we get burnt, it's your own damn fault. Heat shields, they don't look really cool. So, but if you gotta have it, we'll put it on it. So it's provided. You know, I had someone reach out and say, "Oh, that's not a very custom interior." Well, you know, it's a Peterbilt. You don't have to have everything painted and color matched. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, because I love that too. But you know what? There's some things that you just can't deny are beautiful. And one is the interior on a Peterbilt 389. Like, look at this, boys. Sitting low, you got your legs out in front of you, you know. It just, I know I'm probably talking too much now, but it just makes me want to go trucking. You know what? It just makes me want to go trucking. There is just nothing more comfortable than a long hood 389. I mean, look at the way the shifter is. Like, just, I love it. Love it. Oh yeah, hey, there's more switches down there. Yeah. I know, actually, you know what I should do? I should see if I can turn on some more lights, because I know Chester was hoping I could get some more light shots, but it's kind of bad. You know, the one problem with trying to get pictures in the one problem with trying to get pictures of all the marker lights in Prince George in the summertime. We're almost to the longest day of the year. Oh, when is the longest day of the year? I think we're a little ways away from the longest day of the year, but it's like light out until like 10 o'clock at night. So that means if you want to get pictures in the dark, you got to like stay up till midnight. And you know what? I'm just saying, I'm not in my 20s anymore. So you know what? 10 o'clock rolls around. Yeah, but there again, stay up late to get some wicked pictures of trucks with lights on it. Might be worth it. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. It's been a pleasure. Congratulations, Shawn, on TMK's 1000. It's a beautiful truck. You did good. Congratulations, Chester. You did good. And thank you to JF Logan. JF 1000 4.0 is coming right around the corner. You know, we might not, well, let's just say it's going to be different. You know, every JF 1000 is different. Not going to divulge what we're going to do to this one, but it will be different. Not the same. Might be a little bit the same. Some things will be the same, but some things will be different. You know, we'll probably still have a Christy Mac on the visor, because I mean that's been on the last 2 at least. So, and I mean, really, to look at that all day, gosh, Chester is married. He's married to Christy Mac and the JF 1000. You know, she kind of looks like kind of looks like the pinup girl that was doing pictures, but she was actually prettier than, I'm gonna say she was prettier than Chris Mack. Anyways, guys, enough of me babbling. Take care, thanks for watching. Please smash that like button, subscribe to Peterbilt Mike C, and remember, contest down below. Leave a comment that you shared it. Share this YouTube video to all your friends, and yeah, in a week, 2 week time, I will do a draw for a JF 1000 hoodie. I could probably even get you a JF something else too, so we'll see how many people click and like below, and we'll see if we can do more than one. But at any rate, guys, thanks for watching. Peterbilt Mike out. Check it out, guys. JF logging merch. Check out some of the options we got here. More axles, more money, less friends. Amen, brother. These are some pretty nice ones too. The only downside is there's something wrong with these trucks. I don't know, they got a funny look to them, and they got these little dirt spots. And oh, there we go. JF logging 1000. No money in logging. But you know what? When it's your passion and you love it, it doesn't matter. You can't put a price on your hobbies, boys. And don't let anyone tell you any different. Oh yeah, the Log Father. Love the Log Father. Yeah, here's another one of those trucks with this funny little ugly smudge on the front. I don't know what that is, but yeah, pretty decent. Gotta love the Log Father though. You ever watch The Godfather? Yeah, that's cool. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Yeah, I like that one. I really do. And JF 1000 just doesn't get any better than that. Just doesn't get any better than that. And you know what they say, guys? If you enjoy what you do, you're never going to work another day in your life. So we're just having fun, selling trucks, selling merch. And you know what? If you want your wicked JF logging hoodie, shirt, t-shirt, whatever, Black Army, 10%, get 10% off. You heard it here first. Peterbilt Mike. And yeah, mention below, we're doing the contest. So share this video, comment below shared, and you're entered to win. After 2 weeks, we'll do a draw, and we'll give away a nice JF 1000 hoodie. Hey guys, I'm in the Wear Black Army merch room, or one of them, and I'm telling you, I'm thinking I'm gonna get myself a hoodie. You guys want a hoodie? Well, I tell you what, I'll tell you how to get your hoodie. If you want a hoodie and you don't want to pay full price, because let me tell you, I don't like paying full price either. When I go to Costco, I look for the yellow highlighter, because when I see that yellow highlighter, I know I'm getting a discount. So since you are a follower of Peterbilt Mike C, or Peterbilt Mike, I think I'm going to drop the C actually. You might have noticed that. I'm going to give you a discount on JF merch. But here's what you got to do. You got to share this video and go to wearblackarmy.com and then use promo code BLACKARMY 10% and you will get 10% off. And you know what? You could reach out and say, hey, Peterbilt Mike sent me, and I don't know, you're not going to get a bigger discount than 10%, but that's the best I can do, boys. So yeah, share this video, and we're going to have a little contest. Share, like, share this video. I said share a couple times, so I'm going to say it again. Share the video, comment down below shared, and in 2 weeks, we're going to do a contest. Whoever wins gets your pick of a, you know, Wear Black Army t-shirt or hoodie, and you know what? There's some pretty wicked ones. Check this out. JF hat, BTM. You know what that means? Yes, that's right. Black trucks matter. JF logging 1000. You know, I was wondering what Jed's favorite color is. I know what mine is. It's red, but I don't know. What do you think it is? Link in description. Cheers, guys. Black Army. Wear Black Army. Black Army, 10%. Save 10%. Tell them Mike sent you. You'll still save 10%. Well, you won't save 10% if you say Mike sent me, but if you use Black Army 10%, you're going to save 10%. If you tell them I sent you, they're just going to say, right on, thanks, Mike. And I got a card here. See? It's like a discount card. You know? I don't know. Whatever. It's black. Anyways, whatever, guys. Take care. I better go to work. Talk to you later. Cheers. Bye.